Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Yet another unboxing this week, and you know it's always a good day for BigRedEDC when we have Finch knives in the house. Yes, indeed, these are the newest release from Finch, and they got me guessing now because I was expecting this guy, but no, that says November. So keep an eye open for that. What we have here is the Halo. Now this one is another 14C knife. You know, traditionally they've been using 154 in most of their knives. The Cimarron and the Chernobyl Ant were both 14C knives. And yes, we have another one. And oh, there's some other goodies in here. Would you look at this guy? Spencer. Oh, dude, he sent us some swag, sent us some stickers, and what looks like some more of those little pins he sent us before. They look just like the blue sticker. Nice. Thank you, Spencer. What do we have here? Oh, look at that. He is always sending us some cool stuff, some swag. And then, oh, well, okay. We have a red and a blue knife holder. They hold 4 knives each. We've seen these on the channel before. And it just so happens that we have a red and a blue knife coming at us. So, there they are. There are the 2 halos. Now, just 2 in this one. So, a 2 knife release this time. And I tell you what, guys, I did kind of ask Spencer. But it sounds like these should be hitting retailers very soon, so keep your eyes open. If you've been waiting for the Halo, guys, keep your eyes open. I mean, you know, obviously some of my favorite Finch retailers, of course, Traditional Pocket Knives. I've been buying Finch knives from him forever. Keep an eye on Blue Creek, guys, and Smoky Mountain. All your favorite retailers are gonna have the Finch knives. DLT, White Mountain, of course. So, but which one? Now, it was funny. Spencer said, I just get a message and he's like, I'm guessing Red Halo. Am I correct? And I'm like, I just had to laugh. And I'm like, sure. You know me. You know me well enough. And then there was a couple little, and he's like, you know what? I'll just send you a blue one too. And I messaged him back and I was like, well, if you send me both, I'm probably going to give the blue one away. And I'm going to go support my, you know, one of my favorite retailers and buy a blue one. Because, well, that's, you know. Anyway, I like sharing. That's me. This is the one. The Red Halo Redhead. Nice. Very good. We'll set this one off to the side real quick. And we're going to look at this one. There we go. We got the, oh, nice. Halo sticker. Very cool. Now, I will read you something. They always come from an inspiration. What is the Halo's inspiration? We all have an angel on our shoulder, but not everyone has a halo in their pocket. Part tactical and part traditional, Halo is a pocket knife with infinite cutting applications that will bring glory to all your daily tasks. Transform your pocket with a Halo today. So we've already had the Devil's Finger. Now we have the Halo. That's a cool sticker. Of course, we always get the Flipping the Finch. You get the warranty card. You get the Band-Aid. And then you get the knife. Oh, the red and black. Yes, indeed. Let's look at that. Now, again, we've kind of got that Sodbuster look to it. So there's your traditional aspect. And of course, it's a modern flipper locking liner lock knife with a pocket clip. So there's your blend of traditional and modern. Very cool. No lanyard hole in this one, I see. That doesn't really bother me, but it might. But oh yeah, that look, you can put a lanyard around that post very easily. That top post, the blade's way away from that. Yeah, no issue there. So there you go. Lanyard fans, you still have a spot for a lanyard. Just doesn't have a designated hole for one. Nice, little bit of a different pocket clip. I like that. Red and black. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah. Drop. Yes, indeed. Nice snap. There you go. Nice looking clip point blade. That's kind of stealing the show for me. There we go. Nice, nice. Now this is it, I forgot if it was, is it DLC coated? Oh, I'll have to look at that. Doesn't really say. Coated blade though, obviously. And there's this DLC. I'll look it up. 14C28N. What is going on with that camera? My goodness, it's being grouchy today. There we go. My goodness. Halo 14C28N. Nice kind of, got a little bit of oil there. Nice looking little clip. Very, very nice. Dude. I mean, you guys know Finch right now is probably my favorite knife company out there. I love their blend of modern and traditional. And see? Oh, yeah. That's comfortable. No issues with the clip. Bear down on it. Nah, it's all right. Very, very nice. Decent access to the liner. Yep. No real issue there. Oh, yeah. All right. Now let's take a look at the blue one. You have the red and black, and you have the blue and yellow. Again, all the stickers, all the fair, and the knife. Now this one you're going to have blue G10 and yellow G10, which I know Casey was digging on that. Wow, that blue looks really good. That blue really pops. Blue and yellow, very cool. Black hardware, black blade once again. Nice, all right. Yeah, very nice. The drop. Ooh, doggone. That one takes a little, oh, but it drops pretty good. Little shake, nothing too bad. Probably maybe just needs a little cleanup. Nothing too major. Nice. Again, pretty much the same as the red. We got a little oil there. Oh, yeah, let's see if I can get yelled at for wiping off the blade. Yeah, buddy. Nice. That blue really does pop, though. Dang. Holy cow. It really, really pops. I am digging. Of course, I like the red, but man, if you're a fan of blue, that's blue. That is really blue. Casey should be pretty happy with that for sure. So I know somebody else that might like a blue and black bladed knife. I don't know about the yellow, though. I don't know about the yellow. But I know he likes blue and black. But that is a very, very nice looking knife. All together, guys, yeah, another couple of really good looking Finch knives. I'm a fan. I'm probably always going to be a fan. Now, price-wise, I don't see anything listed on these, but in the past, their 14C knives have been right around $100. I think both of them were just under. As a matter of fact, I think the Chernobyl Ant was $99. But we have the red and black and the blue and yellow halo, which I am very, very stoked about. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, I'm a Finch fiend. That's me. And dude, it was super cool. Super cool of Spencer to send out the knife cases as well. These are really nice. Well, I'll just show you one just in case you haven't seen. This might be your first video. You might be new to the channel, first Finch video. But these are really, really nice cases. They hold 4 knives. I'll show you the blue one. But they got the nice, oh, it's fuzzy. It's fuzzy and soft. But put your 4 favorite Finches in there. Or maybe another one. Finches. Definitely Finches. You got to put Finches in. But the halo. Really, really nice looking knife. Yeah, I'm going to keep the red one, but I will probably give the blue one away here pretty soon. We'll see. Maybe give it and one of these away. That would be a good combo, wouldn't it? Blue and blue? I think so. We just might have to do that. Now, when, where, who knows? Keep your eyes open. Come visit me on SKL some night or someday. First Saturday of the month. You never know. Could be soon, could be a couple weeks. But we'll definitely be giving it away. Spencer, thank you so very much. Finch, I'm liking it so far. Obviously, this was just a quick look, but you're going to have... yeah, I'm going to like it. I have a pretty good idea. But thank you guys for stopping by, checking out the brand new Finch release. Guys, keep an eye. I'll put a Finch's link down in the description so you can take a look at it if you want to. Just quick, it's 7 inches overall, 4-inch handle. Well, 7.1 they say, 4-inch handle. Just under 3 ounces. Great little carry. Yeah, I'm digging it. Always have, always will. Thank you guys so very much. As always, remember, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.